What's up, guys? Welcome back. We are here in the BTC USD chart. So, my bias here is that the Bitcoin cryptocurrency is going more bearish because currently, this is only my opinion about this the chart for technical analysis. So, my opinion about Bitcoin is I think it's going to be a sell off, more sell off coming up. So up until maybe around here at 30,000. Okay, and if it breaks this 30,000 support, then there's a big possibility that it will move in the this the 20,000 area here. 20k will be the next support line. Okay, so why I think Bitcoin is gonna be bearish this year. So first of all, I do believe that Bitcoin is, um, this first generation cryptocurrency, right? So, as what I have noticed, usually the first generation projects are not the one that will last long. Okay, so just like, um, for example, just like Friendster before. So, Friendster before was really famous here in the Philippines, but when Facebook came, it was it was demolished by Facebook. So all of the people in Friendster transferred to Facebook. Okay, because Facebook is still not. I mean, Friendster is not a perfect, social media platform for most of the people. So what I mean is that just like before, there are Betamax, VHS, and then it becomes CD, and then it becomes DVD, and then becomes Blu-ray, becomes USB, internet, and then Netflix, right? So usually the first generation project does not last. Okay, it will be replaced with a more perfect or somewhat nearly perfect project with the same goal. Okay, so just like here in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is like the first cryptocurrency ever, right? um, by the use of blockchain. So but I think Bitcoin is a bit, what you call this, flawed. Okay, there's a lot of it is flawed actually. So the first of all, Bitcoin is designed to be like for the decentralization of wealth, right? But it did not happen because there are a lot of whales like hoarders of Bitcoin, because there are a lot of Bitcoin farms. So because the rich people realize that as long as they have, what you call this, a lot of money for the capital, they can mine a lot of Bitcoin. Okay, so instead of it being decentralized, it was ironically more centralized ever, because only those people that have the money to buy those mining rigs were able to, to mine this Bitcoin. Okay, so it was not distributed well to the public. Okay, so that's my opinion only, but I think that it has a point. Okay, there's a point to that. And then if we look at the chart also, I mean that's the, what you call is the fundamental side. So if we look at the chart also in the technical side, we are here in the weekly chart. Okay, so as you can see here, I think it made a double top here. Okay, it tries to break out to this area here, the 60 resistance. Okay, but so the highest I think here is 69, almost 70, and it was not able to sustain the momentum. The momentum failed. Okay, so anyway, it made like higher high, then higher low, then higher high, and maybe a lot of traders are looking at this, and maybe it will make a higher low here. Okay, compared to the low here, but I don't think that will happen, because really my bias here is it will um, it will go down bearish. Okay, it will come back here in the 30k area, and if this support here will not hold, it will come back to 20k. Okay, so as you can see here in the weekly chart, you will notice that the price, there's also forming a head and shoulder pattern like this. Okay, I don't know if you can notice that, but it is making a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so right now we are in the right shoulder, and usually when this happen, price will really make this kind of formation. Okay, so this is the head and shoulder pattern. So I think the price will really come here, 30,000, 30k. Okay, to form this head and shoulder pattern. So that's why I'm a little bit biased to the short side of Bitcoin. So I think that's just it for me. And if you think of it also, it's already very expensive, and nobody is willing to buy this what you call this cryptocurrency anymore, because it's really expensive, and it's not available for the to the market. I mean, it's available, but it's not really distributed well to the public. Okay, so I know cryptocurrency is gonna be the big thing. It's gonna be a big thing for this, maybe this next 10 years. So, but I just don't think that Bitcoin will be the one who will really what's this, become like the center, what you call this, main use for the public. I think there will be a new cryptocurrency that is right now being planned to be used by the public. Okay, that will be well distributed to the public. So this is just my opinion. So I may be wrong, but anyway, this is just my analysis. So I think we'll just see this here. So that's it, guys, for this video, and I hope you learned something from it. So I'm just sharing my thoughts about this Bitcoin. Okay, so thank you so much, and have a great day.